Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and it's me Tilsha. Today's date is November 12th and I'm happy to inform you guys that I completed 3 months of training at TCS Ignite. So I'm very happy to be in TCS Ignite and I would like to share my experience to you guys. If you are planning to come to TCS or if your friends or relatives, anyone is planning to come here, do share this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel if you really like the content. Joining in TCS Ignite was one of my dream and this dream is finally fulfilled. So I came into TCS via a smart hiring process and when I saw the notification, I just applied for it. I attended the interview and I got the TCS joining letter. Okay, so that was a very happy moment for me. I am from batch 40 of Ignite and I am currently in the third month of my training period. So training is actually for 4 months. Let me explain the full process from beginning. So first of all, you will be getting a joining letter and on that day of joining, you have to come to the whichever location you got. So I got Chennai one as my location and I joined on 12th August. On the first day, you will be asked to bring different documents which is necessary for your onboarding. So on that day, we'll get our ID card. So I'll show you my ID card and it's TCS. Okay. After getting into the TCS, we were given instructions on how to fill the form, which is present in the documentation kit. In the batch 40, we had a total of 534 trainees. These trainees were seated in a big hall. In the beginning of this training, you'll get a free cooling period like 2 weeks. Okay, so after these 2 weeks, you'll be given sessions on different programming languages, and you'll be also given tests to evaluate your performance. So after evaluating these tests, we'll be given an index named DPI, which is Daily Performance Index. And this DPI is really important for your training period at Ignite. So let me tell you what all gifts I got as a welcome kit. So to begin with, I got a sling bag which is much bigger and it's quite attractive. Look at the texture, guys. It's so nice to see. It has many zips, which is more comfortable to keep your laptops and other things. So along with this bag, we also got one TCS diary which I have not opened yet. Okay. The second thing which I got was a water bottle of TCS. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, TCS. Okay. So this was the water bottle which we got. And we also got one laptop bag. Okay. So this one is not new. That's why it has some folds. So this was a new bag when we got. And it's also quite good bag. After that, we got our laptops and we did the necessary things which were required. We got our salary bank accounts. So I heard some people saying like you should not join TCS in the beginning. It's such a waste. You should go to TCS after all of your journey, all your corporate journey. But I think it's not true because when I came to TCS, I got to know about one exam named Wings. So this Wings exam is like a exam to test your skills. So if you clear this Wings exam, you will get a salary package of 7 LPA or more than that. It's like the package of digital, TCS digital. Okay. Currently, I'm TCS Ignite and TCS has, I think, four or more. I don't know clearly. Like TCS Explore, Ignite, Ninja, Digital, etc. So, okay. Let me tell you what these guys actually teach us in TCS Ignite. They give training for us in to get prepared to enter a corporate world in like both physically and mentally. They actually give us many sessions like how should you dress and what should you do, how should you write a mail, and it explains A to Z things which you should do in a corporate life. Apart from that, they teach us many programming languages and its frameworks like Java, Spring Boot, Python, and React, JavaScript, etc. And these classes are actually very useful and informative. We are actually getting the opportunity to learn everything under one umbrella. We get daily 2 hours of live session. Other hours will be lab hours. So if any assignments are given, we can complete them. Okay. So daily, they'll teach whichever session is, and they'll give assignments, and we need to do that assignments ourselves. Based on the session contents and assignments, we'll get examinations on every week, like Thursday and Friday. So the days can vary accordingly. You should not capture any video or photo of TCS Ignite. It's a security violation and it's enough to terminate you. Overall, TCS Ignite makes us a better human and a better employee. Okay. They'll give us many informations on what to do, what not to do, etc. in this whole 4 months. They'll also train us for improving our communication skills and other skills. So, guys, if you know anyone who is about to join in TCS Ignite, do share them this video so that it will become useful for them. If you have personally any doubts, you can comment down in my video and I'll be clearing your doubts. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.